Charles. What I'm gonna be for Halloween? A basketball goal! Charles, dunk it! Charles. No, not literally. Charles. 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 Go get it. Wow. Charles. Charles. Ready? Dunk it. Freak. Charles. Let's do this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right. Good job. Now get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Passão. Passão. Now get the basketball. Basketball! Let's do it, Charles. All right, he hit it, and he's gonna go, Ha 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 ha. Oh, that's erasing me now. Escaped. Charles! Ah! I escaped the Charles. Charles. Get the biscuit. Tall bucket. Charles dunk it. We're just like, okay, just throw it, I guess. Good job. Charles. Oh, good, okay. Oh my God, that's a big booty. Charles! Charles! That's a big booty. Charles, all right, okay. Wait! Ah! I'm gonna have to grab the ball, Charles. I'm the basketball! Charles has revenge! Ah! Home Charles has forgiven me. Now dunk it in. Now. Oh my God, you threw it past that basketball goal. We're good now. Good job, Charles. Good job. You hit it. Got it in finally. Good job. Charles has revenge. Ah!